Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a logo using AI. So let's get started the video. To create a logo, we are going to use ChatGPT. So open ChatGPT on your computer or phone, then sign into your account. Once you are on the home screen, click the message box. Now tell ChatGPT about your brand. Include details such as your brand name, business or channel type, target audience, preferred colors, logo style, icon or symbol. Once you write down your prompt, click the send button. ChatGPT will generate a logo based on your description. Wait a few seconds for the result. If you don't like the past design, you can ask ChatGPT to create another version. For example, you can say, make the logo more minimal, or use a dark background, or maybe change the icon. You can continue improving the logo by giving more specific instructions. You can also ask ChatGPT to create different versions for YouTube profile picture or website or social media. Once you are happy with the design, open the image, then click the available download option. You can also upload the logo to Canva to make final changes to the text, colors or background. So that's how you can create a logo using AI. So I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.